Hare Krishna. Today we are going to learn how to make North Indian yogurt and gram flour curry or besan curry. This is a very popular dish in North India and is loved by many. For curry, we also need to fry pakoras and we also need to make curry. So for curry, we will need 2 cups of besan, 2.5 cups of yogurt or kefir. If you are using yogurt, you may add a little bit more, but kefir is more sour, so I am using just 2.5 cups. Around 3 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, around 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 whole red chilies, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, around 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and these are all the ingredients we need for curry. For pakoras, we need around 2 cups of besan, salt and chili to taste, and a pinch of soda bicarbonate. Now we'll get started. Now we are going to blend yogurt and besan or gram flour. We'll add it to a blender. We add in all spices as well: salt, coriander powder, turmeric, and chili powder. We add in 1 cup of water as well so that it is easily blended. And now we blend it in blender. It looks ready. No, there's still some besan, so we'll give it one more blend. Okay, it looks ready now. Now we'll turn on the heat. Now we are adding in the oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add. The oil looks hot. Now we'll add in the fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds. We are also adding half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder or hing. Mix it well. Make sure the spices have gone aromatic. Once they have changed some shades of color, we will add in the whole chilies and our yogurt and blended yogurt and besan or gram flour. Keep stirring till it comes to a boil. If you miss stirring, it might stick to the bottom of the pan. Once it comes to the boil, we'll add another 7 to 8 cups of water. You can vary the water quantity according to the consistency. On the basis of consistency you need. If you need it thick, you can add little bit less water, and if you want it more like curry, then you can add more water. I'll be adding around 7 to 8 cups of water to my curry. We'll wait for it till it comes to boil and we'll keep stirring it. We are adding in a little bit water so that it's easier to stir because it gets thick as it gets heated. It has come to a boil and now we are adding the water, which is around 7 to 8 cups. And now again we'll give it a good stir till it comes to a boil. We have to make sure there are no lumps. So we'll have to really mix it well. It has been mixed well. Now we'll put the lid on. If you are using Indian style of cooker, you'll have to wait for 2 whistles. I pressure cook it for once the steam has started to escape. I leave it for 5 to 7 minutes in this type of cooker. Till we wait for our curry to be cooked, we will prepare our batter for pakoras. So we mix all the ingredients, which is gram flour, salt and chili powder, and baking soda. Soda bicarbonate. We'll add in water and we'll mix it well. The consistency of the batter has to be a little bit thick, more thicker than the one you use for pancakes. And make sure there are no lumps. So the batter is ready. Now we'll put the oil in the karai to fry. To check if the oil is enough hot, we just put 1 drop of besan in it, if batter in it. If it comes right away up, that means the oil is ready. So now we put like 1 tablespoon at a time. Flip the sides so they are evenly brown from all sides. They look ready. So we are done with the pakoras. This is the last batch. And now I have already turned off the heat from the curry cooker. It was like 10 minutes after the steam started to escape. And now I'll let the steam escape on its own. The heat has been turned off. And once we can open the lid, we'll add in the pakoras and we'll be ready. The steam has escaped, so now we can open the lid. It smells delightful. Very sweet aroma. Just stir it well. And now we can add in the pakoras. Some people simmer for another 5 minutes once they add in pakoras, but I don't find it necessary. So for me, it's ready and ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video. Hare Krishna.